Other areas here at our show that have seen a significant interest and growth have been our machine shop, blacksmith, and foundry areas. There have been many additions and expansions in recent years, and in addition to the exhibits shown here, we also have blacksmithing at many other locations around the grounds, such as the Pioneer Village and the Blacksmith Shop. One of the engines running the line shaft here is a Fairbanks Morse 25 horsepower unit from roughly 1920. It runs at around 325 RPMs and is a direct injected diesel engine and originally ran a line shaft at a sugar beet factory in Ohio. This American toolwork shaper is from the early 1900s and was used to make small rectangular parts or cut square holes in slots, such as keyways. This exhibit has a powered table which can move the parts in multiple directions to be cut. Our foundry has some talented members that produce some of the items for sale each year. Here, you can see some of the processes required to prepare a casting to be poured. Once the items have been cast and cooled, the excess material is removed and the final product is cleaned up. Here you can see some of the finished items.